Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how to turn off HDR on an MSI monitor. So here's a guide to disable your OSD HDR in Windows HDR settings. Method 1. Turn off HDR in the monitor menu. Follow the below steps. Step 1. Press the menu or Navi joystick button on the monitor. Step 2. Open the OSD on-screen display menu. Step 3. Go to Gaming and select Professional or Image settings. It may vary by model. Step 4. Find HDR, Display HDR or HDR mode. Step 5. Set it to off. Step 6. Exit the menu. Method 2. Turn off HDR in Windows. Step 1. Right-click the desktop and select Display Settings. Step 2. Select your MSI monitor. Step 3. Click HDR or Windows HD color. Step 4. Turn Use HDR off. Method 3. Turn off HDR on a console. On Xbox, follow the below steps. Step 1. Go to Settings, select General and then select TV and Display option. Select Video modes. Step 2. Uncheck Allow HDR10. For PlayStation 5, you can go to Settings, select Screen and Video, then go to Video Output and select HDR. Step 2. Set HDR to off. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.